Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hello everybody, I'd like to say a special thank you to dedicated Zontes channel, I said dedicated Zontes channel, has been going 2 years now. As we fast approach 3,000 subscribers, we have gone over the 755,000 views, 7,750,000 views. It's amazing. Thank you very much to everybody who's viewed the videos. I work 6 days a week in my normal job and spend a lot of time after that obviously doing these videos, etc. But this is just a compilation of starts, etc., showing you the hard work and dedication that goes into producing the videos. So please enjoy the music, please watch the videos. I'm 64 years old, so it's hard for me to get around this video editing like, but I'm trying to do it as best I can. And I hope the videos are helping owners in doing their own general maintenance and looking after their bikes. I even pulled a wheelie on my MT-07 last year. Hey! A thumbs up would be nice as appreciation, please. Thank you. And I will see you all later. This is Mad Mick signing off.
Start practicing harder. You are upset.
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.